In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change your eToro currency. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to eToro.com and then log into your account. Now once from here, it should bring something like this where I can see inside of your dashboard. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over to the left hand corner and go down to the settings page down here, this little icon down in the left hand corner. Once I'm here, it should bring something like this. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to go over to the display button over here. And once I'm here, you can see this page right here where I can change your language, the themes, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a display currency. Once I'm here, you simply need to click on the drop down menu and then find your specific currency that you'll want to use. So let's change it from Danish crowns to Australian dollars. And let's go out here to the home section or click up here. And as you can see, now the indices will be over in Australian dollars, as you can see over here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!